Hello, Amos, Tarfa here. I just have a quick video talking about mathematics, how to become a math pro during this time and this part of history. So I have been working in developing and fine-tuning math curriculum now for about 8 years, and I want to share with you some things that I've learned and also some updates for the fall. First of all, this fall, God willing, we will be offering full Algebra 1 curriculum, full Algebra 2 curriculum, geometry and pre-calc, and if you want to join in, and pre-algebra, sorry, if you want to join in on any of the video conference calls. So if somebody gets a math curriculum, for example, from us, then there might be a certain time they can sign up on Mondays, for example, where they get to have a class interaction with other people who are in the Algebra 1 series or Algebra 2 and so on and so forth. So please, even if you are not homeschooled, if you are interested in getting a very high level of Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 and excelling to the best of your ability, give us a call or give me a call or email. This is a book called Tools for Mastering Mathematics. You might have seen it in the past. This book, again, is available on my website if you want to get a sample copy and review it. It goes over principles that will help you become a master mathematician. So please do not wait, do not delay. If you want to become a pro at mathematics, make sure you give me an email or a call. The last thing I'll say on this is that in the math series that we're making, we're going to be integrating Leonard Euler's book. This is a book by Leonard Euler. Mine is falling apart here, but Leonard Euler was a mathematician who did quite a few things. You might be familiar with the term f of x, for example. That goes back to Leonard Euler's notation. You might be familiar with E for compound interest. Now, that is actually attributed more to his tutor, Mr. Bernoulli. And we'll talk about some of the history of Bernoulli and Euler and Newton and all these mathematicians that were involved in developing curriculums and programs. Leonard Euler, one of the greatest mathematicians of all time, wrote a book called The Elements of Algebra. And believe it or not, you're not going to believe this, one of the greatest mathematicians of all time wrote a book on algebra, and we're going to just be quoting his book from time to time to increase a passion for learning in our students. And Leonard Euler, one of the greatest, starts his first chapter of his book with the question, what is mathematics? And then he goes on to the next chapter, what is addition? What is subtraction? So notice how beautiful his flow is. He started with basic arithmetic, and he worked his way onto algebra and into higher algebra. Again, we're going to be using this book to increase the passion. My hope is not just people who do their homework and do their chores, quote unquote, of mathematics, but I want them to love mathematics, to have a passion for mathematics, and to encourage their friends to put in their best in their education. My friends, we don't know what the fall looks like, but we do know this, right? The world doesn't know what the fall looks like, but I do know this, that the Learning Institute for Excellence and this project will be offering Algebra 1, Algebra 2, pre-algebra, geometry, and pre-calculus. So please reach out if you are interested in any of those classes. And even if you're an adult and you're not a student and you just want to learn it for fun and just learn it so you can take calculus for fun, give us a call. Thank you very much.